Hello everyone, welcome to my course Freelance Graphic Designers Short Guideline. I am Mohsin, a professional freelance graphic designer, video editor and animator, currently working as a creative head of PencilBox Training Institute. I divided this course into 5 sections. In the first section, we are going to talk about freelancing marketplaces. We are also going to learn which freelancing marketplaces are the best for newcomers and what are the common work in freelancing marketplaces, and you can start learning those skills. And in the second section, we're going to talk about which softwares and tools needed to become a professional graphic designer. We are also going to introduce you to Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, how these two software actually work and what you can do with them. In the third section, we are going to talk about design mockup. After completing a design in Adobe Illustrator, how you can present your design in a realistic way using mockup file. We are also going to learn how to edit mockup file very easily in this section. And in the fourth section, we are going to talk about portfolio. How you can create an awesome portfolio using Behance. Why portfolio is important, we are going to go through those in this section. And in the last and the final section, we are going to talk about marketing. How you can promote your business, brand and design through social media marketing, and how you can catch client. We are going to learn those in this section. Thank you guys for enrolling to my course. See you guys in the next video.